A 105-year-old woman is recovering in the hospital tonight after surviving a tornado in the hours before Hurricane Milton made landfall.
Now, fortunately, she is okay tonight, but her home in Port Salerno is not in good shape. She was all alone in that house when it was hit. Now her neighbors are joining together to help her.
Ari Height spoke with the woman's great-grandson who is sharing her story and hope others can help too.
When you see what's left of Jane Houston's Port Salerno home, it's hard to imagine that someone inside survived when the tornado hit. It's even harder to imagine when you learn Jane Houston was inside this home alone. And Jane Houston is 105 years old.
105, born in 1919.
Riley Houston is Jane's great-grandson. He calls her his mama.
She is a strong, independent, stubborn woman. She is amazing.
Riley says Jane has lived on her own for years. She had just gone into the bathroom when the tornado hit.
I can't imagine her being in the bathroom just getting the roof ripped off the house and the other wall slamming into the door. She recounts that it was probably the scariest time of her life.
When it was over, neighbors found her in the rubble and pulled her to safety. She needed surgery for a foot injury. Her back is bruised and sore, but she's alive.
Miracle, luck, God, that's as best as I can really put it.
And as Jane recovers in the hospital, her neighbors are making sure she knows she's not alone.
We've got cleaning supplies, shampoo, toothpaste, clothes, blankets.
They've been collecting for her supplies, money, helping research housing.
She's our neighbor. We're inspired by her miraculous story of survival, and we just want to be a part of her rebuilding her life.
I am beyond overwhelmed with how much support has been around with the community.
And Riley says his mama is also overwhelmed by the support. He says she should soon be starting rehab for her injuries and hopes to be released from the hospital next week. She is initially going to need some round-the-clock care, but Riley says her goal is to again be living alone and living independently. In Port Salerno, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.